Chris Lopez with MLM Complete Package here. In this video, I'm going to give you a short overview about our MLM white label program geared towards leaders in the network marketing industry. So I'm logged into the system now, and one of the things our white labeling program will do for you is that we'll completely brand the system and the website to you. So for example, you see our MLM Complete Package logo in the upper left. We'll remove that and then put your logo there. Now if you need help creating a logo, we have a graphic artist who can help you out with that. And then throughout the system and also the website where people log into, we'll remove all references to MLM Complete Package and we'll reference you and your organization's name. Now I'm going to click on the training icon. And this training section is where we'll host all of your training videos, documents, and resources. So we'll help you get everything formatted in the right way, then upload it to the system and get it laid out and organized in the exact way you want it to be. Now another cool thing about the way this training page is built and the way we'll upload all of your training videos, resources, and documents is that it's completely friendly on any device, whether people are using Windows or Mac computers or tablets or smartphones or anything. Basically, as long as they can connect to the internet, they can view the training. Now we put a lot of resources into creating this section this way because we know distributors, especially new distributors, are very busy and have to build the business in the nooks and crannies throughout their day. So we know a lot of people building their business have some available time while they're commuting or in between some appointments, or if they're waiting at the doctor's office where they can sit down for 10 minutes or 20 minutes and go through some training. So everything we put on this page here for you will be in a format where your distributors can access it from anywhere on any device. Now we can make this 100% your training resources. We can leave all of our training resources in here, or we can do a hybrid of having some of your training and then some of our more popular courses if you want. Like a lot of people really like our communication course, which goes through our communication and sales process, and our product endorsement training, which helps people learn how to sell their product and their service to actually build a customer base. So depending on what training you have in place and what you want available for your team, we can customize this. And we'll figure out all the details as we start building your white label. Now I'm going to click on the marketing tab. Now this marketing page will be the central hub for all the online and offline marketing if you want to use it. We can actually integrate your current website, whether you have 1 or 10 websites, into the system. So as leads come in, you can feed them into various marketing funnels, email autoresponders, and even the contact management system. We can also set it up so if you want to create like affiliate tracking pages for your team members to use, so they can use your website but then post a link to social media or email out a link over email or do some advertising with it, we can actually have the system create affiliate style links for them, so anyone that comes through their link will belong to that team member and go directly into their system. So there's a lot of cool stuff we can do through this marketing area. We can also help you set up some lead cooperatives, and this is actually one of the keys to our success over the years in building our own network marketing organization. Now it's getting our team members into our various advertising and lead campaigns. So the system is built so we can pick and choose what team members we want in our lead cooperatives, and as leads come in, the system will automatically distribute the leads to those people in the system, and can even do it on a weighted average, so some people get more leads, some get less, and that's all dependent on you, the people's budget, and how you want to disperse the leads. But we can do all that through the system here under this traffic and lead cooperatives section. Now, in addition to integrating websites, we can also help you, we can also design a website for you, help design a marketing funnel, or even help you design some presentation pages or presentation processes. So that way you don't have to be on the phone all the time or giving webinars 24/7 or trying to have your downline explain the business or the product or the service to your customers. Whatever is working for you, we can model a website or a series of videos about based on what you've done to be successful, then build a website around it so you can use it with leads and so can your downline. Now towards the bottom of this page, you'll see a section called Email List and Autoresponders. This is where you can manage all the email marketing for your website, your contacts, offline advertising, customers, team members, autoresponders, basically everything. So you can customize your email marketing in pretty much any way, from the different types of queries or lists you want to create, to creating custom email templates, to setting up your email autoresponders. So the neat thing about this is you have this section for your own websites and campaigns. And your downline will also have this same section so they can set up emails for their contacts, their prospects, their customers, and whatever marketing they're doing. Now, you probably have some successful series of emails or marketing funnels that work for you. So if you have one of those, or once you create those, we can take those and then push them out to all of your downline in your system. That way, your team members aren't having to go out there and reinvent the wheel or try to do all the stuff where they're copying and pasting things and setting things up, which, you know, for a lot of new people is very overwhelming and very confusing. So whatever you want your downline members to send out, we can actually load that in the system and then auto-populate those emails and that content in those people's accounts. Now the next section I'll show you is our contact management section, and that consists of the contacts, customers, and team pages. Contacts is where all of the prospects will go for your business and also your team members. So you know the phrase, the fortune is in the follow-up, and there's nothing more truthful than that statement. And we know from years of building our own organization and helping our team members that a lot of team members shoot themselves in the foot because they don't follow up with the contacts. Well, we have a very easy to use system here that helps people keep track of their contacts, tells them when they need to call them again, and has a lot of this stuff already thought out for them. So we've got that for the contact section, a customer section. So once a person gets a customer, they can retain their customer and turn that person into a customer for life, and also section for their team members. Now I won't go into more details about the contact management portion in this video. If you want to see more details, go to MLMCompletePackage.com and click on System. And there's a lot of videos and pages dedicated to how all this works right here. But I just want to point out to you that this entire contact management system suite would be included in your white label program for you and your team members to use. And there's a lot more I could cover, but I won't go into those details because that would make this video very, very long. But I will leave you with this. Basically, this system has everything you need for you and your organization to build. You see, we built this system from the ground up. We own 100% of the code, and we're constantly improving it as the internet changes, or we learn better ways to build a business, or we get feature requests from other leaders or other people using the system. So this is a system that can grow with your team, that can grow with your organization, and that's always evolving to make sure it's on the newest trend and always utilizing the latest technology. Now, how much does this cost? We don't have any fixed pricing for white label because every time we've done one, it's always been a different amount of time it's required us to set up. There's been different needs by the leader and the organization. So we have no fixed pricing. Rather, we do a custom quote for everyone and really figure out exactly what you need, what we'll need to update, and that way we can give you the best quote with the most accurate timeline for getting everything set up. But I will tell you this, it usually costs less than a couple $1,000s for us to set up this white label program and help you get everything off the ground. We're most interested in building long-term relationships. That's what's worked well for us in our own network marketing organization. That's what's worked well for us in other businesses we've started. And that's how we go about building all of our businesses and also growing this white label program through MLM Complete Package. We want to make it a very affordable and easy process for you to use and as your team grows. So if you want to talk to us about setting up a white label program, go to MLMCompletePackage.com/white label to fill out a consult form, or give us a call at 775-253-3555. Again, 775-253-3555.